Diakon Dawit for joining us. So, we'll be holding our 7th General Annual Assembly at Atlanta this year. So, what do you think college students and recent grads will gain out of this conference?
Conferences are really, really important. And I think, especially for college students, I remember growing up. I don't want to give my age away, but I would have loved to see people like me who are struggling in their college life to come together. I really have an opportunity to learn about Christ, and knowing that a lot of the struggles that college students are going through, they're not alone. And seeing people like them throughout the country coming together is a powerful thing. Even if they just come together, look at each other and leave, that in itself is enough. On top of that, we're having sermons and mazmurs catered to students that age group is, I think, a critical thing, and it's important for college students to take just a little bit of time off and come and attend this type of service.
Okay, thank you so much.
ዛሬም ልጅ ብሎ ዳግም ይጠራኛል ለካስ አልጠላኝም ጌታ